So now, she doesn't have a pattern ID anyway. We need to apply when you are. So it will change, yeah.
Really bright.
So now with the signatures, it's official.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, congratulations.
Yeah, man.
Congratulations, my man. Mbali was amazing.
Amazing. It's amazing.
I know.
Congratulations, buddy.
Thank you.
Sharp, sweetheart.
Hello everyone, Reintroducing and welcome to my channel. So that was actress Enhle Mbali and now international DJ Black Coffee signing their marriage license, which included an antenuptial contract on the 21st December 2016, years after their traditional wedding in 2011. After signing that antenuptial contract, they celebrated with a wedding on the 5th January 2017. This past Friday, Enhle Mbali took to Instagram to announce that she's officially divorced following a divorce process that dragged on since 2019. The delay was mainly because Black Coffee was disputing the validity of their May 2011 customary marriage, arguing that the antenuptial contract they signed in December 2016 was valid and should be enforced. Fast forward to 10 October 2025, the court decided in favor of Enhle. Her legal team confirmed that the court found that she was misled and lacked proper legal advice when she signed the antenuptial contract in 2016. As a result, their 2011 customary marriage, which is automatically in community of property, was validated and the 2016 antenuptial contract was declared null and void. An antenuptial contract, or what they call a prenup elsewhere in the world, is self-explanatory. It's done before marriage, not after. That's why the antenuptial contract Enhle and Black Coffee signed in 2016 was declared invalid, because they were already married under customary law in 2011, automatically in community of property. Anyway, Black Coffee has like 15 days to appeal, but for now he has jetted off to Spain with his girlfriend Victoria Gonzalez, his siblings and his mother. Meanwhile, Enhle Mbali made her first public appearance since the divorce judgment, reintroducing herself with her maiden name Mlotshwa while hosting Swazi Polo in Eswatini this past Saturday. Honestly, the 6-year divorce battle was unnecessary to begin with. They could have reached a fair settlement long ago. It's not like Enhle came out of nowhere and demanded things. She was there way before Black Coffee became an international DJ. So hopefully this is the end of their court battles.
My name is Enhle Mbali, officially Mlotshwa, and I'm here tonight to enjoy Swati at its best. I'm here to do my favorite thing. Now most of you know that, like she said, I'm a fashionista. I own a brand called Issy Apparel, international award winning, showcasing overseas, including South African fashion weeks, right?